Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Storing a pointer in a custom embedded Python object, a tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore the process of storing a pointer in a custom embedded Python object. Embedded Python allows you to extend your C or C++ applications with Python functionality, and sometimes it's necessary to store pointers within Python objects. This tutorial will guide you through the steps of creating a custom Python object that can hold a pointer, and will provide a code example to illustrate the concept. Prerequisites. Steps. Include Python header files. Begin by including the necessary Python header files in your C or C++ source code. These files provide access to the Python/C API. Define the custom object structure. Create a structure to represent your custom Python object. Include a member variable to store the pointer. The PyObject_head macro is used for the internal management of Python objects. Implement initialization and deinitialization functions. Define functions to initialize and deinitialize your custom object. These functions will allocate and deallocate memory for the object. Define getter and setter functions. Create functions to get and set the pointer value of your custom object. Define object structure and methods. Define a structure that contains the information about your custom object, including its methods. Module initialization. Initialize the Python module and register the custom object. Compile and link. Compile your C or C++ code into a shared library and link it with the Python interpreter. The exact steps depend on your development environment and build system. For example, using GCC on Unix-like systems. Replace path_to_Python_include with the path to the Python header files. Usage in Python. Now, you can use your custom object in a Python script. In this example, we've created an instance of the custom object and set its data attribute to 42. Conclusion. This tutorial has walked you through the process of creating a custom embedded Python object capable of storing a pointer. The provided code example demonstrates the essential steps to achieve this integration. Feel free to adapt and extend the example to meet the specific needs of your application. ChatGPT.